If YouTube is not loading in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen for a lot of different reasons, from corrupted cache files to problematic extensions, graphic settings, or even a DNS issue on your computer. The good news is that you can usually solve it without reinstalling Chrome or doing anything complicated. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes corrupt the connection between Chrome and YouTube servers, which can stop the site from loading properly. To do so, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On a Mac, use Command, Shift, and Delete. Once the clear browsing data window opens, set the time range to all time. Then make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. After that, click Delete Data. When the process is finished, restart Chrome and open YouTube again to see if the issue is gone. If YouTube still is not loading, the next thing to check is your extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, or video downloaders. YouTube changes its script structure frequently, and older extensions can sometimes interfere with the page and cause it to freeze or not load at all. To manage your extensions, click the three dots again, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. On that page, look through your installed add-ons and find anything related to ad blocking, script blocking, or video downloading. Turn those switches off one by one. After disabling them, reload your YouTube tab and check whether the page starts working normally. Now, if YouTube loads the text but the video area stays black, or you keep seeing an endless spinning circle, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. Sometimes Chrome's graphics acceleration feature can conflict with video playback and cause loading problems. To change this setting, go back into Chrome settings by clicking the three dots and selecting Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, click System. Then find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting applied. Once Chrome opens again, go back to YouTube and test whether the videos load properly. If the problem still continues, the issue may not be Chrome itself. It could be your system DNS cache. DNS is basically how your computer finds the correct path to websites, and if that routing gets stuck, YouTube may fail to load or show a blank page. On Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time, type CMD and press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter again. If you're on a Mac, open Terminal and use the appropriate DNS flush command for Mac OS. After that, relaunch Chrome and test YouTube once more. In many cases, this simple network reset is enough to fix the loading problem. So to recap, if YouTube is not loading in Google Chrome, start by clearing your cache and cookies, then disable any extensions that might interfere, turn off graphics hardware acceleration, and finally flush your DNS cache if needed. One of these fixes usually gets everything working again. If you want more easy step-by-step tutorials like this, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.